Welcome guys, today I will show you how to customize UI colors on your Motorola Edge 70. So, hold for a while free space on your main screen, then from the appearance menu choose Personalize part. Here go to the Colors chapter. So here you can choose between basic colors, choose your own from palette, or even add a photo from a gallery, like a color. Also, you can use demat icon feature. Then all of your icons will try to modify it with this main basic color. Nice feature, try it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel, leave some comment below, and see you in the next videos. Bye!